Breaking news, we have just received new reports on a disease called Marfan syndrome, which was discovered in 1896 by a doctor named Antonio Marfan, a French pediatrician. The disease is a connective tissue disorder caused by heterozygous mutations in the gene that encodes fibrillin 1. Now off to Zaid with more information about the disease.
Good day everyone, my name is Zaid and here's some more information about the disease. Marfan syndrome affects the heart, eyes, blood vessels, and bones. Organic molecules are the most important part in the human body. But in this case, the protein FBN1 is made way too much due to malfunction in the enzyme protease. This is an example of a normal cell, and this is an example of a mutated cell, which is the FBN1. The chromosome mutates, which leads to abnormal features in the cell. The protease enzyme is used to break down proteins in the human body. Treatment can help, but it can't be cured. To our expert on Marfan syndrome at Harvard Labs, Dr. Nicholas has discovered more facts about the disease.
I'm Dr. Nicholas. I recently discovered the symptoms of Marfan syndrome. When a person is diagnosed with Marfan syndrome, the symptoms they receive are life-threatening. So according to my notes, some of the symptoms include heart murmurs, extreme nearsightedness, abnormally curved spine, and a breastbone that protrudes outwards. One way you get this gene is by inheriting an autosomal dominant pattern, which means one copy of the gene is in each cell is sufficient to a mutation in the FBN1 gene. The FBN1 gene makes a protein called fibrillin 1. Fibrillin 1 is a protein that plays a major role in the body's connective tissue. Okay, so this is a Punnett square, right? And the little m, the recessive m, carries the Marfan syndrome, and dominant m does not. So these four squares represent the children's possibility of getting the disease. Because this is two recessive m's, these children will have the disease, so it's 50%. And because these have the dominant m's, they will not get the disease.
Okay, so this is normal disjunction. This is how meiosis happens, and it starts with one cell and it splits into 4 daughter cells. But when there's a disorder, this is what happens. So the first division, it messes up the cells. So basically, all the chromosomes go to one cell, and it doesn't cause 4 daughter cells. It just does 2. But in in disjunction, it actually gives four cells, and the chromosomes split off, and it gives out half for each of the cells in the first division, and it gives off 1/4 for the last division. How has Marfan syndrome affected your life?
Okay, my 23-year-old cousin has it, and he found out that he had it when he was 13 years old, when he went to see a doctor to be tested for blood clotting factors. He felt run down in his sophomore year of college. He has cardiac problems. This affects him because he loves sports but can't participate because of his Marfan syndrome. He passed away after joining the Marfan Foundation.
Thank you for watching our doc.